Because it's over here.
You tell me you're a swinger.
I am a swinger. Swinging my balls though. But
Swing your ball.
But yeah,
Get that checked out.
fun fact about the Korean War.
I have twisted spine.
It's also known as the Forgotten War.
Yeah.
Yep. It was the first war that the UN actually took part in.
Really?
Yep.
It's what War Papa Pachi fought in.
Yep. It was a collective understanding.
War also, along with Vietnam, war was never officially declared by Congress. So it's not characterized as a war per se.
The war never
They call it the Korean conflict. Yeah, also there was no resolution ever signed.
Oh yeah, no.
You have to have a closing in order for it to happen.
It was just an armistice.
Right.
That's a little chest. Yeah. That little chest. Little chest, right?
What's up, doggos?
We have 3 of them.
Down there? Oh, yeah?
Oh yeah, dude.
I'm surprised what they do down.
No, yeah, we're big
We're
hunters.
good for the water, you say?
Yeah, we're big hunters. This is my pup. Yeah, these are our 2 hunting dogs.
Oh, look at them. Beautiful. That's the color she is. Yeah, look at
Yeah,
that.
yeah,
And then
yeah.
you got that, what's that, like dead grass?
Yeah, dead grass. Dead grass, and he's a year old and he's 6 years old.
Oh, what's that, 1 year old?
Oh, yep. Yeah, I'm a big fan of the breed, man.
Beautiful.
What's your name?
Nola.
Nola.
Always had good times down there. Pretty much.
Take care. Have a good day. That's a pretty dog.
Hey, look at the chances, man. They're all around the country.
All around.
You know what sucks? I'm probably in all likelihood not ever gonna have a Chesapeake.
Well, you don't need one, bro.
Well, Victoria is allergic.
Dogs?
So yes.
Wow, really?
So we would have to get a hypoallergenic. It's like she fucking loves dogs. Like it sucks because like every time she comes over, she like gets stopped up. But you can get like hypoallergenic dogs.
Yeah, that don't shed, like rascals.
Rascals hypoallergenic. I think Labradoodles are hypoallergenic.
No, they can't be. They got to shed. Because golden retrievers shed like crazy. And I don't know if doodles. I don't know if.
This is what I've heard.
Oh yeah, no. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if they are. But I know golden retrievers shed like
Yeah. If I were to start believing in reincarnation, I would hope I'd come back as a golden retriever in an upper middle class family.
I thought it was a middle class family. I love being fun.
Think about how cush the life of a
Made you like go out like 3 blocks.
She's going by states.
No, last name. Alfred Leroy LeBlanc. Marine Corps, Corporal, Louisiana. His number is 5016. Died the 26th of April, 1968.
Yeah, get a picture of it, send it to me. So let me see LeBlanc.
Alfred Leroy? Yeah, well, Alfred Leroy LeBlanc. They go by last name.
Yeah.
Alfred Leroy LeBlanc. Or Leroy Alfred, I'm not quite sure, but pretty sure first name, middle name, last name.
There's only one LeBlanc, but you know, bro.
No, one that died. Sure, son of LeBlanc in the Vietnam War, dude. There's other people on the world. The average lifespan of a grunt in Vietnam is 15 minutes. Horrible is
I was just thinking. combos with the fucked up rules.
Oh yeah, don't know.
Those are yoked.
They were actually a lot skinny. They were very, very
That's what
skinny.
I'm saying. I don't know why these guys.
Malnourished.
I don't know why they're so yoked.
Makes for a good monument.
It does.
They got one over there too. I don't know what that one is over there. Like he's laid down. Look at all the geese. Look.
I believe this is a memorial to drug addiction, and they don't want to say it.
What's that?
Yeah. They don't want to say anything about
Who later died as a result of this.
Yeah, they're referring to like the hundreds of thousands of veterans who came back who were hooked on all these different fucking drugs and, you know, became like menaces to society. And it sucks because we sent them there, and that's why they're like that.
Well, no, you know, and a lot of and their coming home was not the welcoming of heroes. It was horrifying.
Yeah,
It
it
was
fucking
stupid.
sucked ass.
It was the worst. And that's probably to me the biggest black eye on our country is the way